Hello students, welcome back. So now we are going to be focusing our attention on subplot. And so what subplot does, it actually allows you to plot multiple images, multiple plots on the same plot right here, on the same figure. So in this case, you can see that I have one picture right here, and then I have another plot right here on the same diagram. You can do that using subplot. So in this case, basically what it does, it allows you to display multiple plots in a single figure so you can compare them side by side. Now, what is subplot best for? Well, it keeps your related plots together. That's one of the advantage. Also, it makes your reports and dashboard a little bit cleaner. So instead of telling one story, instead of telling many story, you're telling only one story. So instead of opening up many figures, you're just opening up one figure. So let's understand this through an example. So first thing I'm doing, I'm importing my matplotlib library, and then after that, let's create some subplot. Let's say I want six plots over here. So let me just show you. This is what I want. My end outcome is this right here. I want pictures like this: one over here, one over here, one over here, and one over here. So this is basically has two rows and three columns over here. This is what I want. Okay, so the first thing I do, I create plt.subplot 2 comma 3 comma 1. So this is my number of rows, this is my number of columns. I want three columns, and this is my index. So this is the code for the first image is going to go over here. All right, then I create another subplot right here, 2 3 2 right here. So this is two rows and three columns, and this one actually is index 2, and this is index 3, this is index 4, and this is index 5 and index 6. So these are my six images right here, and this is where the code goes. So the code for this one, for this particular plot, will come over here, and the code for this particular plot will come over here. Okay, so when I do plt.show at the end, when I run this, it's going to render my graph like this. Right now, it's not showing anything in there. It just plotted these pictures: one, two, three, four, five, six. And the reason it's not showing anything because we are not putting any code right now. So now let's add some code in here. Let's put something inside this. So step number two, I come over here. So I'm putting some code now. So this is my code for the first plot. That would be this right here, this particular image. Okay, so in this case, I'm generating some x values from -4 to +4. I'm generating 30 data points. And then my y is going to be equal to 5x squared minus 3x plus 1. And then I'm plotting this x and y over there in this subplot 2, 3, 1. Likewise, then I have another one. In this case, I'm plotting 5x cubed minus 5x plus 1. And I'm plotting this in the same subplot, but this would be index 2. And likewise, I'm doing for the third subplot. This would be for the fourth one. And this would be for the fifth one. This is the fifth one right here. And then the sixth one, then I'm plotting it over here, and then I'm rendering this graph right here. So after that, you can see that this is how my picture looks like for each one of the subplots. So this way you can compare each one of the images side by side. You can see this image looks like this looks like this and this pretty much looks the same. These two look the same. This looks a little different. So by using this subplot, you can actually have multiple pictures on the same figure. That's one of the advantage of subplot.